me again, CharrieTv. Tara, samahan nyo ako ngayon kasi meron po ngayon ditong sineselebrate sa amin lugar na Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. Kaya bago matapos ang lahat, ayan, pupunta tayo doon sa isang lugar kung saan yung location ngayon dito sa amin. Kahit gabi na, tara, puntahan pa rin natin at doon tayo maghahanap ng ating makakain for tonight. Kaya ayan, samahan nyo ako guys. Tara, biyahe na po tayo. Here we go guys, we arrive at our first location along Lacson Street, Bacolod City. Welcome to Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival 2024. The purpose of the festival is to expand or scale one of the Bacolod's best delicacies as a tangible cultural property. Bacolod will not only be known as the home of Mascara Festival but a chicken inasal as well. Anywhere you go in the Philippines, the delicious chicken inasal always attributed to Bacolod. It is an alley of chicken inasal along North Capitol Road of Bacolod City. Chicken inasal is a common dish in the Visayas. It is a popular specialty in the city of Bacolod, where an entire street market is dedicated to local dishes, particularly inasal. Different assorted barbecues are welcoming you when you enter into this area. See that guys, a lot of people are eating, but in here at this hour, at this moment, some of the people are going home because it's already late when we are arrived here. See that guys, it's very mouth-watering food. So very delicious. There's also a lot of children who portrayed anime character, and my son took a picture to the one of them, and he didn't expect it that the one that he took a picture was his classmate before. during elementary days. See how big and tall he is right now. See that, guys? You can see anywhere, everywhere in that alley selling those assorted inasals and waiting for their customers to arrive, more and more and more, to enjoy the festival celebration, because tonight is the last night of the Inasal Festival here at Lacson Street, Bacolod City. That's why we enjoyed, and syempre hindi tayo pahuhuli sa lahat ng mga events dito sa Bacolod. Kaya ayan, enjoy roaming around, seeing those mouth-watering food. Yan, so yummy. The color is very awesome. Lots of people are eating and enjoying the music during that night. This festival happens once every year, but when you are craving those assorted barbecues and inasals, you can look that anywhere, because everyone's selling that to anyone people here, because that's the number one food you can look for and enjoy eating together with your friends and families. Even in our home, you can make also any barbecues with different flavors. You can make spicy, you can make sweeter, or you can even make a simple seasoning with it. And it was cooked by the using of charcoal, and just a few minutes you can eat already. Serve it with your family and even to your friends. Sometimes you can use that as a pollutant while drinking a glass of wine or even a glass of champagne and a bottle of beer. And that's the end of our first location. See that, guys? There's a lot of people still coming. And now we're heading to our second location along Upper East Mega World Central. I can't wait and see to go inside what's in here. I heard that there's an event on here. So let's go, everyone. Come with me. See that, guys? You can see chicken all over in the alley. And there's a lot of people coming around and enjoy this event with this very welcoming smoke of those Inasal chicken. So mouth-watering. The smell of the smoke is very awesome. See that different assorted barbecue Inasal, made of chicken, made of pork, made of hot dogs, and any other things that fulfill your hungriness. Ayan. Also, there's a lot of shakes with different fruits. A lot of people smiling, seeing me, taking a video on them. Every outlet of Inasal has different flavors. You can choose whether wherever you want to eat. You can see that, guys. So see that smoke, the smoke inviting you coming over to eat my Inasal. First time seeing this event with this very beautiful performance. The different barangays perform during this festival.
Magiging ang tinlada, hindi ka maduha-duha, dalik na sa Inasal Festival.
This is the number one food that all foreign countries are looking for. The authenticity of our chicken inasal here in Bacolod City is the number one food on your list when you came here. Sa aming paglilibot, ayan, nakahanap kami ng sauce na mula sa pinakamild hanggang sa pinakamaanghang na level. Ayan po siya. Ayan, sinubukan ng anak ko kung alin yung mas pinakamasarap na flavor tsaka yung pinaka highest level ng anghang. Ayan. Masarap po ito ipare sa ating mga inasal. Ayan siya. And that was the very highest spicy ever. Ayan. Siyempre, hindi rin tayo pahuhuli dyan. Ayan, sinubukan din natin. Pero hanggang 3 level lang po ako. Ayan siya. Yung mas masarap, yung may mango, tsaka may passion fruit na mixed flavor. Ayan. And then, yung pinaka-the best dyan is yung sinogba flavor. Yan po ang product ng Bacolod. Ayun na nga guys, dahil nabit po niya yung pinakamaanghang na flavor. Kaya ayan, nagkaroon po siya ng reward. Ayan. Thank you so much. Bacolod spicy sauce. At ayan, sa wakas nakahanap na rin kami ng aming makakainan dyan. Kaya tara, kain po tayo. Ayan, let's enjoy eating inasal here at the Inasal Festival, Bacolod City 2024.